part that came out. So I want to teach you how to use this egg, alligator pepper, and this palm oil for protection. This thing work in 2 ways. And if they normally come and collect this from you in the dream, and you do this in your room, once you do this in your room, nobody will be able to.
I have the gift of seeing. That's how people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solutions. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible.
Room, once you do this in your room, nobody will be able to come and collect anything from you again. You see this egg, right? You see this side that is pointed. This is the first side that came out from that came to the earth. So this side that is round, this is the last part that came out. So I want to teach you how to use this egg, alligator pepper, and this palm oil for protection. This thing work in 2 ways. And if they normally come and collect this from you in the dream, and you do this in your room, once you do this in your room, nobody will be able to come and collect anything from you again. If you have a business place, maybe you have a shop, other people there have done charms to draw customer from you so that their business will grow, their your will not grow, that they are draw customer from your own shop. They have done charm to draw customer from your shop. Once you do this in your shop, that charm they have done to draw customer from you will spoil. What you need for this, you need egg, you need alligator pepper, the almighty alligator pepper. Alligator pepper is a spirit, so we use alligator pepper to give life to items spiritually. It's just like when God created man, God breathed into man, right, to give it life, to give him life. So also we use alligator pepper to give life to spirit, to give life to things. So you need alligator pepper. Then you also need palm oil. What are you going to do? You see, this is the first side that came to the earth. You are not going to touch this side that is pointed. You are going to use this side. Get something, punch a hole, break it small, punch a hole like a nail, punch a hole on the egg. Then you get this alligator pepper. You are going to remove 7 seeds of alligator pepper. Okay, then the 7 seeds of alligator pepper you have removed. Remember, you have already opened this and you hold it like this. Get someone to hold it for someone to hold it. Then you hold 1 alligator pepper. You pray on it to prayers of protection. If you are doing it for your house, you make prayers of protection on it. But if you are doing it for your business, you make prayers of protection. You also make prayers of draw customers. Let customer come to your shop. Okay, depending on what you are doing it for, either fully for protection, you can also use it for crapola to neutralize other charms that are drawing customer from you, so that you will be the one to have customer. You hold 1 of the alligator pepper, you put on it, put it inside the egg. Then carry another 1 again, put on it, put it in the egg. That's how you are going to put on the 7 and put it inside the egg. That is how you are going to make all the prayer 1 by 1 on the alligator pepper while putting them inside the egg. And remember, the first thing you are going to say in the incantation, which is very important, you will say, all life begin with an egg. So I'm giving life to a new be to protect this house, to do this, to do this, to do this. Remember, this one is not, you are not commanding any evil spirit. This one is just a natural something for protection. Okay, no side effect. That's how you pray on the 7 seeds of alligator pepper. Then you put it inside, right? When you are done, then you now get palm oil. Get small palm oil, pour inside. After you have put the palm oil inside the egg, now they get something again. Get something like a paper or anything that is like nylon, sellotape, put sellotape or anything paper. Then you now use like something like super glue or gum to gum the egg. To gum it so that you cover it back. Now you have covered it back. Use something to cover the pointed hole back. After you have covered it back, then you will now get you will get this in thread. You will get black and white thread. Then you hold the mat together. Like I will hold the mat of the black thread. I will hold the mat of the black thread. Then I also hold the mat of the white thread. You see, I will hold them together. Then I'm holding them together like this. That is how I will now use you. After I hold it together, you say, you will make this word. You say, Black and white always agree. So whatever I say must stand. They will now use this to wrap the egg until the egg is fully covered. You cannot see any other thing. Once the egg is fully covered, you are not seeing the shell of the egg. Then remember, it is this side that is round that you use. This side that is pointed, which came out first. You are not touching. Then if you want to go and bury it, you bury it like this. You bury it in your shop, then you bury it in your room. Once you bury this in your room, they will not be able to come and collect it from you again. Even if your landlord, maybe there are some houses that the landlord do it in the sense that anybody that is living there, they will be drawing from their wealth. Once you do this, they will not be able to draw from your wealth again. And if you put it in your business place, any other person around you that have done charm to draw customer from you, this will neutralize it. They will not be able to draw that customer from you again. If you find this video helpful, like, share, subscribe. And I want you to comment, I am protected in the name of the Creator. See you guys in the next video.